Hi, I'm Andy and welcome to my channel about crypto. This video will be slightly different and it will be just a short commentary about the current situation of the crypto market. So let's have a look at what's happening at the moment. It's been an interesting couple of weeks with Bitcoin first going down to around 30,000 and staying there for a while. And then the last 10-12 days or so, we've seen quite a rapid move up. In fact, we had 10 days in a row. You can see that here on the chart, when the price of Bitcoin was consistently going up from just under 30,000 to roughly 41.5, 42,000. Pretty impressive movement, which made a lot of people quite bullish because we hit quite a few markers that would indicate that we may be indeed back in the bull market. But since then we had a little bit of a correction and slowdown, and currently Bitcoin is trading just below 40k. So what's likely to happen now? So I'm expecting to see that we'll see a bit of a consolidation phase, lasting probably a few more days when the price will stay around 40k mark. We may see a drop to about 35k or so when where we have our 50-day moving average, and then potentially we'll hit that as a support and go back up. Or we may have another leg up, and the level to look at would be 20-week SMA, which is currently for roughly $44,800. It's the purple line we see here. If we can break above that line and form a support at that level, then we are indeed in bull market, because that line historically has been always the bull market support band. So we can then expect another move towards our previous all-time high and eventually possibly beyond. I don't expect it to be a straight line up. I'm expecting quite a few corrections on the way up, but certainly we'll be in a good position for the price to carry on to 50k and above. But until we reach that level, so 45k, we are still really just playing in our 30 to 40k sandbox, and move down is almost as likely as move up. So yeah, that's the level I'm currently looking at. It doesn't mean that I'm bearish on Bitcoin. If anything, I'm actually buying more of it. I think around 40k it's a good price point if you believe that Bitcoin will reach six figures in this market cycle, and I certainly do. I think most people do believe that will hit around 100 to 150k at some point late this year, or more likely next year. Then, well, 40k would still easily give you 2.5 times ROI, potentially 3 times ROI. So it's still a good price, and considering that if we look at long term, Bitcoin's price always just goes up, then certainly 40k is not a bad price to get in. So just to recap, I think that we are currently in quite a precarious position. It's really difficult to predict whether we'll go up or down. Personally, I think it's quite likely that we may drop again to around 35k and then go up. I don't really expect another drop to 30k level or 27 or whatever were these bottoms we had here. I think we have now quite strong support at around 35k level, but we'll see how it will pan out. The next few days should be quite interesting, should give us pretty good idea of what will happen. This was pretty impressive streak, so any sort of correction was really to be expected. I mean, after 10 straight green days, it was pretty much certain that we will have some downwards movements. Let's wait and see what will happen next. But yeah, certainly good price to accumulate, and if the price goes up, great, our portfolio value increases. If it goes down, then again we can accumulate even more at a better price point. So I think we are in a pretty good position, and there are certainly indicators that the market is slowly moving up. So after having pretty quiet 3 months when everything was either stagnant or going down, I think we are finally slowly getting to the point when the prices will start increasing. Hope you found this video interesting. If you have any questions or comments, please do let me know, and see you next time. Thank you. Bye.